Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This customer has given me for repair. They said this motor is not spinning. So let's see what is the problem, and there is some common problem. I'll show you how to fix it. There is some screws. Just remove the screws. Then you can remove it very easy way. After that, there is connector. You have to remove this connector also. Okay, after I removed, I found this belt has a spoil. See, there was a belt for spinning. This belt has gone. See, that's why it's not spinning. Okay, for this reason, by model number you can order online by model number. Then I have ordered and I have received also. Okay, so just let's fix it. Yeah, it was old belt. See, all it has been dust powder. Dear bears, bread makers, first common problem is belt. Yeah, first common problem is belt. If it is not spinning, then second there is capacitor also. If it is slow or not spinning, you can change the capacitor. And then the third problem is there is two fuse. This fuse actually for heater. So we can test it by continuity. If it is no hot, then you should check the continuity to the heater. Sorry, fuse, thermal fuse. See, this both of the fuse. So this fuse is okay. So this fuse is also okay. Then we have to check the heater. Yeah, heater also okay. So it was problem is only belt. I'll fix it and then we will be back. Yes, I have fixed all the screws. So let's see how is it. Inshallah will be okay. Alhamdulillah, it's spinning, so it's working fine. Yeah, thank you, dear bears. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.